Tired of people seeing when you're typing in Messenger? Here's how you can turn off the typing indicator for more privacy. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and go into any chat. This step helps you access your profile settings more quickly. Now, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the Messenger settings menu. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down until you find the section called Privacy and Safety. Here you'll see an option labeled Typing Indicators. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll now see a toggle switch that controls whether others can see when you're typing. Simply turn it off and Messenger will stop showing your typing status in chats. This is a great way to keep your activity more private, especially if you like to take your time when writing a message or just don't want others to know you're responding. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials.